Hey everyone, today we're going to be crafting with our Santa's Here topper set from our Christmas Traditions topper collection. So we're going to make a really quick, simple stepper card. If you watch our Facebook lives, you'll know this is one of my all-time favourite styles of card because it's just so quick and easy to create something really dimensional from a flat piece of cardstock. So we've got these gorgeous foiled stars at the bottom, so that's going to be the bottom of our stepper card. And then our gorgeous Santa, look at his little rosy cheeks, he's just adorable, isn't he? He's going to sort of sit here, so we're going to do a side stepper. So I know I need to score this section here to create my steps. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark myself a little line there. It doesn't need to be a precise measurement, it's just a little line so that I know when I get my scoreboard in, that's where I need to score up to. So let me just have a look where that is. Oh, I need centimetre side first of all. Let me see where that is sitting on here. So it's about 7 centimetres, that little line I've just put in. So I am going to score on the front of the card down to that 7 centimetre line there. So we're going to score at 3, we're going to score at 6, we're going to score at 10, and we're going to score at 14. So 14 is our halfway point because I trimmed my cardstock down to 28 centimetres to make it a nice round number. So 14 needs to go all the way through, and then at 21 again up to and about that sort of 7 centimetre mark. So our scoreboard can go out of the way for now. We get our trimmer in, and I'm going to line this up in here. So the up to 7 centimetres on the top of our trimmer here, and we're going to cut from this first score line, you can't really see the lines very well there, up to our last score line that we've put in. So the one we did at 3 and the one we've done at 21. So there our cut line is in. That is where your trimmer is invaluable when you're cutting into things. Obviously if you've got a guillotine you won't be able to do that. You can obviously use your craft knife if you want to as well. So we're going to fold that in half, and then with these steps here we're just going to concertina this section to create those side steps. So quick and easy to do. One of my favourite cards ever. It really is. And then just going in and giving everything a really good burnish there. Then our gorgeous little Santa's going to go over here. He just fits into that square almost perfectly, doesn't he? And then I've got a little bit of offcuts of our starry section here that I'm just going to line along that step there. We've got our hope you have a wonderfully jolly Christmas, we can add on there, and then I'm also going to put a little Merry Christmas down here as well. So let's stick all these elements on. So just grabbing again some of our double-sided just for this, we don't need anything too fancy. So just pop this little section across here, so just lining that up on the side there, and then we can just open that out so we can trim off the excess and obviously save that for another project. We're going to add our Santa. I'm going to keep the frames intact for this one because I do think it just really works with the colours. So just taking my foam pads around the outside of that frame to keep the inner frame, the outer frame and our topper all together nicely. So those can then go onto here. Oh, look at his jolly little face. So happy. And then our sentiment here, I'm going to use one of our strips. And what I'm going to do is, that will probably be perfect, is I'm just going to put this in the middle on top of that second step. And then I can just add that to the very top there. And then this one, again, we can just use one of these little strips to pop this one in place, and we're going to bring that down to the front step like that. So they almost sort of cascade down the side there, and that is our gorgeous Santa's Here topper set.